Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless Messed Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Bring 'Em Out. The song is Bring 'Em Out. The artist is T.I. featuring Jay-Z. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want to learn the steps, I'll post it at the end of this video, so just click on it. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Book your room and register at our website, www.lmiunola.com. Again, www.lmiunola.com. And here we go.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the back rail's in your mouth. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, hey. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife comes right with that new gold. Dead in the state, but see by me. The whole city got this, heard he got 3. The other rapper got a hit with show. He got out. Who set the city on fire soon as he got 3? The kid's back now. Mom don't even know how to act now. Hit the club, streets getting naked before I sat down. Still ballin', money stacked all the shack now. Still push a button and let the roof on the lag down. I'm on the road doing shows through the mat down. Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to track time. Got the crowd yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Bring 'em out, hey. Dope boys yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Yeah, what up, Southern rapper hood and this? I got rich and still let a woman get good. You be rapping by blow, I was moving the bridge. Talk about shooting out, now I'm doing the bridge. Look at hit you in the flesh, you gon' be slowing it quick. Never catch another kiss, I know it's true to be missed. So I'ma keep it cool, head, stay out of the news, headlines, and show these other rappers bedtime. It's clear to see that I'm a hell of a time. I'm not thrown down hard, time for real to shine. They got some time, they ain't mad, I can better the time. Who got a flow and a live show better than mine? I got a packed house yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Girls yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Dope boys yelling, bring 'em out, hey. The black cake yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You wanna beat to the king, what is you gon' do? When you show up on the scene, 1, 2 guns, you and you and your friend, and play a little 2 on 2. If you have what I do, really hitting the deck. I got a tool in the best, how to disrespect. I don't think it hard for another something to flex. Show up and say the score, I want something to test. Remember, too large and we way too fresh. Work well with and put the check a lane like the game of chess. You wanna beat better, bring the best. Cause we be standing in your front yard, yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Girls yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Dope boys yelling, bring 'em out, hey. The black cake yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Front yard yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Girls yelling, bring 'em out, hey. Dope boys yelling, bring 'em out, hey. The black cake yelling, bring 'em out, hey.
Bring 'em out. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.